thing don't sound bad.
It's not better. Once we put the cover and the breathing stuff in there, it should.
At least then it moves on its own.
Yeah.
Feels good when it should be unlocked. Oh. Yeah, it feels good when you run over your own foot driving it, walking alongside of it. Yeah, you saw that? That was a big rock. We should really fix that. The landscaping sucks around here. Oh. I'm in pain, but it was well worth it. Okay, the rundown. Didn't put the new points in, but put the new key switch. So I got the points and all that good stuff here. Fixed the wires the best I could for now, so I can get the battery tray and oh, that clutch spring is. If there's a better way, guys, tell me, because we killed ourselves trying to get that stupid thing in there. But that solenoid wasn't healthy looking in the battery cable, so we rigged up a new one on the top. So ease of use. Oh. Get your car in here, old man. It's ugly. Watch it. So I didn't do as good a job with the wires, like shrink wrap and stuff, because it's so damn late. Had a guy come look at a tractor, so got distracted. New fuel line all the way back. Took the tank off and fixed all that. That's why I couldn't get it to run. It had like gunk or something in there clogging it, so got that done. And I was just driving it around a little bit, and the clutch cable got into the idler pulley for the belt, so that was scary. And why on earth did Sears put the model tag under that? Under the spring. Why? That's so silly. But whatever. But the main thing, thank God it does this. And the bulb was blown. That's what was wrong with that, was the bulb was blown. And there you go. Alright, Rooney. Now you gotta come get your tractor.
Start it back up, right?
Yeah, fine. See, that jump box battery ain't strong enough. It does need. It's a honker motor, so it needs that battery we had. It's perfect.
Yeah, that battery is working.
Spins it right over.
Yeah, that battery hopefully stays like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna look up online how the stators are on them. I might try to, because that remember that voltage regulator might not be any good, and I'm gonna see if I can run my Kohler on there.
Oh, the one we got one.
We have some. Remember, I have Kohlers up to wazoo, and
They use a regulator.
yeah, so I'm gonna try to see if it works. If it works, it'd save us a lot. I just hope it ain't a stator. If it's a stator, I'll have to order that. I have no idea. Oh. No thanks. And you were right. Them points, you got them working good. Shouldn't even have bothered ordering.
Yeah, those points. It is. Oh, he didn't deliver nothing.
No, it's not for us. So it must have been Artie. Yeah, it's Artie.
Yeah, those points. Yeah.
Yeah.